Welcome to our video on the best quiet hair clippers for kids and adults. If you're tired of noisy and uncomfortable haircuts, then this video is perfect for you. We've compiled a list of the top-rated clippers that will make your next haircut a breeze, without disturbing the peace and quiet of your home. Our team has spent countless hours researching and testing the best clippers available, evaluating them based on factors such as noise level, ease of use, and overall performance. We understand the importance of finding the right clipper, especially for kids who may have sensory issues or are scared of loud noises. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the best quiet hair clippers for kids and adults. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision and enjoy a peaceful and stress-free haircut experience at home. Let's get started. Number 1. Wahl Self-Cut Hair Clippers. This model is specifically designed for self-cuts, but there's no reason you couldn't use it on others. The manufacturer promotes self-cut features such as an extra long power cable and a larger comfort grip. Regardless of whether these are helpful for cutting your own hair, they're useful features to have. This hair clipper has a rotary motor, which is the most powerful, and second slowest, motor type. While it's not necessarily the quietest motor type, there's enough evidence from users to suggest these clippers aren't loud. It comes with 12 comb attachments, up to 1 inch, and all the equipment you need to properly care for the blade. It also includes a styling comb and grooming tools. The 79467 is 25% smaller than other Wahl models, so it's a good choice for traveling or using on kids, too. Number 2. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Clippers. Although there's only around $10 difference between the Wahl 9649 and the top pick model, you won't want to drop much below this price point for a quiet hair clipper. Going too low on price generally means sacrificing the kind of build quality that makes them quiet. While these cordless clippers don't give a noise level, users state they're pretty quiet when cutting hair. The battery has a runtime of about an hour, but you can also use them while they're plugged in. The set comes with 8 blade guards that are color-coded. Better still, the color key is printed on the clipper's body, so it's quick and easy to find the right guard length for your cut. Although it's a minor thing, it's a surprisingly good idea. The power level is the only major complaint given by users. It's a symptom of going for such a budget-friendly model, though. If you want cordless for the convenience but want power, check out one of the models below. Number 3. Bololo Hair Clippers. This baby hair clipper from Bololo has an operating noise level of 42 decibels, meaning they're pretty quiet. In real-world terms, this is around the noise level of a quiet office. The clippers have 2 speeds for cutting toddlers or kids' hair. In theory, nothing is stopping you from using them on an adult, but the cutting power is probably a bit weak to deal with thicker hair. They're low vibration as well as low noise. Several users state this hair clipper is great for kids with autism and sensory sensitivities because of these 2 factors. Some also state that the kid-friendly design certainly helps, too. Along with being cordless, these clippers are also waterproof. You can charge the battery in less than 2 hours, which is pretty fast. The waterproof rating is IPX7, meaning you can submerge them in up to 3 feet of water. Of course, you should avoid doing this on purpose and still clean them the traditional way. Number 4. Oster Fast Hair Clippers. These Oster hair clippers have a pivot motor, which is essentially the opposite of a magnetic motor. It provides slower cutting speeds but is much more powerful, making it ideal for thick and textured hair. While we're not given a specific decibel rating, users state they're quiet. Also, rotary motors are usually the quietest type, if you discount build quality factors. So, these clippers should do the job if you want a quiet cutting experience. They're corded, but the cord is 8 feet long. As such, you should have plenty of flexibility and maneuverability when cutting hair. Granted, you can still get a bit tangled up, but the extra cord length should reduce the chances of this happening. This is an adjustable blade hair clipper. It means you can change the actual blade's length to a grade 1, and there are included guards that go up to 13 mm, half an inch. Again, this is less than some other models, but should be fine for people wanting a short cut. Number 5. Calming Clipper Haircutting Kit. This is a bit of a curveball on the list of quietest hair clippers, as it's not a typical clipper design. The calming clippers are designed specifically for children with autism and sensory sensitivities. Importantly, they're about as close to silent hair clippers as you can get. You can probably see why. They're essentially a pair of scissors onto which you can clip blade guards. This gives you the ability to cut hair to different lengths but with scissors, which removes the factors that can overstimulate children, sound and vibration. The calming clippers come very highly rated by parents of children with autism and sensory processing disorders. The only real downside is that it'll take much longer to cut hair, as they're scissors. But if it's the difference between a safe cut and no cut, it's worth taking the extra time.